In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link table of contents to pages in PDF with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let's start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once the document is open, head to the Tools tab at the top. From there, choose Edit PDF. This switches Acrobat into a mode that gives you access to link options, which is exactly what we need for an interactive table of contents. Look just below the main toolbar for the secondary toolbar. Click Link, then select Add or Edit Web or Document Link. This activates the Link tool. With this tool, you'll draw a rectangle over the area you want to be clickable. Think of it like placing a transparent button over the text. Carefully draw a rectangle around the text of the first table of contents item, either the heading or the page number. Try to match the bounding box of the text so the clickable area feels natural. If your text is small, give the rectangle a little breathing room so it's easy to click without covering nearby items. As soon as you draw the rectangle, Acrobat opens the Create Link dialog. Here you'll set how the link looks and what it does. For link type, choose Visible Rectangle if you want the link area to show a border on the page. This can be helpful if you want readers to see that it's clickable. Choose Invisible Rectangle if you want a clean, print-like look with no visible box. Either option works. It's purely a visual preference. Next, for link action, select Go to a page view, then click Next. This tells Acrobat that the link should jump to a specific place inside the PDF, rather than opening a website or performing another action. Acrobat will now prompt you to navigate to the destination. Scroll to the page you want this table of contents item to jump to. You can also adjust the zoom or viewing position before confirming. This is useful if you want the link to land at the exact top of a section or focus on a particular heading. For example, setting the view to fit width or positioning the target heading near the top of the screen can make navigation feel clean and intentional. When the page and zoom look right, click Set Link to confirm the destination. From now on, the area you drew in the table of contents behaves as a live link that jumps straight to your chosen view within the document. That's it. Your table of contents is now interactive and user-friendly.